Today we're going to show you how to make this lovely pouch with a sewn-in clasp. You can use it as a makeup bag or whatever you like, keep your sewing things or whatever in it. And even though it's very elegant, it's not as difficult as it seems. Start by cutting out the velvet at the edge of the printed part. Don't forget to keep your notches. Press the fleece onto the back of the lining and then copy out these same pieces. Clip the darts at the bottom of the bag close and stitch. Repeat this with the lining pieces. Take the two velvet pieces and place them right sides together and match up your stitching lines and your notches. We use clips, you can use pins as well. Now stitch from one notch round the bottom to the other notch. Repeat this with the lining piece, leaving an 8 cm hole at the bottom for turning later. Now turn the lining right side out and push it inside the velvet bag. Match up your seams and pin or clip together. Now stitch along the top one side and then the other. Now turn it inside out through the hole that you left in the lining. Check that you haven't left any little holes at the seam lines. Find the centre point of each side and put a little pin to mark, and then match up with the centre of the clasp. Using a sharp needle and some strong thread, stitch through using a running stitch down from the middle to one side and then come back up, filling in the gaps. Repeat this step down the other side and back up and then onto the other side of the clasp. If you keep your needle as close as you can to the metal part on the inside, your stitches will be barely visible. And don't forget to close the hole on the inside with a few hand stitches. Et voila, a beautiful and original velvet pouch. You can find the kit on our website.